Hello. Welcome to the presentation of the latest digital wireless high-definition Hitch camera from BOYO Vision. VTCRH series is a ready-to-use camera system with a monitor and cameras. Very simple to install and very simple to operate. Watch how easy it is. Camera installation. Attach the camera to the steel surface. Adjust the camera angle. Adjust the antenna position. Turn the camera power on. Monitor installation. Install the monitor using the dash mount or the windshield mount. Connect the power using the 12-volt power adapter. Plug the adapter into an outlet. Turn on the adapter power switch.
A Bank of America company. Visit merrilledge.com/investinggoals to get started today.
Investing involves risk. Merrill Lynch, Pierce, Fenner & Smith Incorporated, both a registered broker-dealer and investment advisor, member SIPC. Investment products are not FDIC insured or not bank guaranteed and may lose value.
Why would I sell the car of my dreams for a food truck that wasn't? Or rattle up.
The only way you could drive it is pretty much jammed from the 105, reduced speeds all the way up into downtown. So it remains slow southbound as well, down to about Slauson. Again, that's the 110. Speaking of the 105, anywhere now, this is eastbound as you come up to Prairie Avenue, so not far off that 405. Somebody looks like they're broken down.
Here is a simple demo of backing up the car toward the RV camper trailer. Hitch at the center of the display screen. Camera installation using the magnet is very simple. No wiring. No screwing in. Can move from the vehicle to the end of the trailer. But will the camera fall off? Most certainly it will not. Each box of the VTCRH comes in a complete kit, which includes a high-definition IPS monitor, 1, 2, or 4 high-definition cameras, antennas and an antenna extension, windshield suction cup mount and dash mount with adhesive bottom for the monitor, power adapter for the monitor, a battery charger for the camera. It is very important that you bench test the unit before installation. Regardless of the complexity of the camera system or installation, the bench test will reveal if the purchased system will work properly, will provide an idea for the best wiring, and how to assemble it. But most important, it will answer the question of whether it meets my expectations. First, an assembly. Assembly of a camera and an antenna. Assembly of a monitor and an antenna. Second, charging of the camera battery. Turning on the camera, turning on the monitor to see if the system is working. Turn the camera on. Third, test the sleep mode and trigger wire. To test, put the monitor in sleep mode by pressing the on-off button. The green wire is the trigger wire. Connect the green wire to the same positive power line, which powers the monitor. That concludes the presentation of the digital wireless high-definition camera. Thank you for choosing BOYO, and please bench test prior to an installation.